Hello and welcome to Ruth Finance. This is a channel where I share simple and practical finance tips to help you learn more, save smarter, and grow your income. If you're new here, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step plan to start affiliate marketing from scratch, even if you have no money, no tech skills, and no experience. By the end of this video, you will learn exactly how to pick a niche, promote affiliate products, and make your first commissions online. So step number 1, choose your niche and brand style. Start by choosing a topic you're passionate about or willing to learn, and define your brand style. A personal brand uses your face and voice, which is great for trust. An example of personal brand is like this video. I am using my own face and my own voice. You can also use a faceless brand, which lets you stay anonymous, and it is perfect if you prefer privacy. Then next, narrow down your niche. Pick something that solves a real problem for a specific audience. For example, home workouts for busy moms, skincare for teens, or finance tips for freelancers. Then step number 2, find affiliate programs that promote. Once you have a niche, search for affiliate programs that match it. You can use affiliate marketplaces like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareSale, or Impact.com. For myself, I use Amazon Associates and Impact.com. You can also go directly to the company's website and scroll down to find affiliate or partner links. Look for programs that offer at least $30 per sale if possible. Then sell the products that solve a real problem. Offer your tracking tools, marketing materials, or dashboards. And step number 3, set up your platforms. Now build your presence where your audience hangs out. For short form content, you can have TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Then for long form videos, you can have YouTube, or you can do blogs or have email lists. So use the same username, profile photo, and bio to clearly explain how you help, and then include your affiliate links using tools like Linktree and Beacons. If you're enjoying this so far, please hit that subscribe button to keep getting helpful content like this. Also, I have added Amazon affiliate sign up links in the description box below. Please join and start promoting real products today. So step number 4, create content that sells. For short form content that delivers quick value, keep videos up to 60 seconds. Hook attention in the first 3 seconds. Give a useful tip, insight, or result. End with a clear call to action like, check the link in my bio. So example of these ideas include 3 tools that I use to stay productive. Or number 2, this is the $25 item that I use to change my skincare routine. Or why I stop wasting money. Try this instead. For long form content like YouTube and blog, go deeper into tips, how-tos, or productive reviews. Then step number 5, which is the last step, stay consistent and scale up. Consistency is what builds trust and momentum. Start by posting 1 to 3 short video a day or 1 long form video a week. Also, check your analytics. What's getting views or clicks? Double down on what works. Repurpose your content across platforms. Later, consider email marketing or paid ads to grow faster. So the final mindset, affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick. It's a real skill. Give yourself at least 90 days of consistent action before judging results. Every piece of content is a seed that can grow into income later. So far, we have covered 5 steps. Number one, choosing your niche and brand. Number two, finding affiliate programs. Number three, setting up your content platforms. Number four, creating valuable short form content. And number five, staying consistent and scaling up. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Ruth Finance so that you don't miss future tips. And remember, if you're ready to begin, grab those affiliate links in the description box below, pick your niche, and post your first video in the next 24 hours. Progress starts with action, not perfection. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.